How would you like to make 2020 the very best year of your life? How would you like to make the coming decade the best 10 years of your life? It's about to happen right now. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So high flyers, what most people do is they look at their waistline, or they look at how thin their wallet is, or they look at the four walls in their house and they go, wow, I'm really lonely. And they make a resolution. And that resolution is good until about January 14th. In other words, we start out strong, we get excited, we get motivated, and then it fades out. And by the time February comes around, New Year's was a long time ago, and you're just right back in the same old routine, the same old trench. Well, listen, high flyers, I believe that you are going to join me and we are going to create a vortex into a whole new decade of prosperity, of love, of happiness, of wealth. And it's going to be incredible. It's starting right now. I mean, people are getting ready for it. People are writing down their goals. They're writing down their dreams. They're writing down what they would like to have in 2020, what they would like 2020 to be all about, what they would like the next 10 years of their life, the next decade to be about. And so you can join me because we're going to create a vortex into the next decade. And you and I are doing it together. 2020 Manifestation Webinar. It's going to be incredible because we're doing it the 30th of December, the 31st, the 1st, and the 2nd. Only 4 days are we doing this incredible webinar. And I'm bringing in special people to help me. It's going to be phenomenal. I know, I'm getting too excited. All you have to do is go to 2020manifestationblowout.com. 2020manifestationblowout.com. Sign up. It's free. I want you to join me because we're creating a whole new vortex into the next decade. It's exciting. We're talking about a year, a decade, where you really believe in yourself, where your confidence is soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're talking about becoming the highest version of yourself, living a life way up here, no longer down here. I mean, just becoming the best you have ever been in your entire life. Living 2020 and the next decade with an incredible positive mind. It's exciting. It's wonderful. And that positive mind is going to turn you into a manifestation magnet for 2020 and beyond. High flyers, I believe in 2020, you're going to attract more abundance than you have perhaps in your entire life. I mean, if you take your entire life and add it up, 2020 is going to be your best year. But this is the doorway into an incredible 10 years of prosperity and wealth and love. You're going to live the love you crave. What do I mean by that? You're going to be with your twin flame. You're going to be with a person that just reflects who you are. And you're going to feel incredible love. Now, for some of you, this is someone you already know. For others, somebody new is coming into your life in 2020. Either way, it's a decade of incredible love. We're creating a vortex into the next decade. And you're going to join us at 2020 manifestationblowout.com. It's free. It's our gift. Rachel and I, we're giving it to you. We're doing this for you. And it's just wonderful. We're so excited you're going to join us. High flyers, I believe in 2020, you're going to challenge yourself like never before. You're going to take on new challenges and you will succeed. You're going to clear away old pain, old problems, old fears, old doubts, and you are going to receive. You're going to receive the love, the healing, the abundance that you desire and you deserve. It's exciting. I can't sit down. I can't sleep. I'm so excited about this. High flyers, become the manifestation magnet you always desired to be. Join us for 2020 manifestationblowout.com and claim your spot. Because look at, when we do these webinars, we have so many people that join us that we overload the system. So this time we have to limit the number of people. High flyers, sign up now. Live your dream. Live the life that you absolutely desire. This is your best year ever. 2020, manifestationblowout.com, live webinar. We're going to be doing it. It's exciting. Join us. Let's create that vortex into an incredible 10 years. It's happening. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.